Hey guys, welcome back to Fit at the 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm going to be taking you through today's workout, which is going to be resistance band core workout. So here I have a tendency to focus on core workouts, especially as of late. They are more functional, something that builds core strength, rather than trying to go for that aesthetic look that you might be going after for the summer. That's mostly due to diet and being in a caloric deficit and reducing the amount of fat you have on your body. It doesn't have all that much to do with the actual core work that you're doing. What we focus here is on mobility and stability, thus improving our trunk strength. That's the exact kind of workout we're going to be doing here. I have to mention this because this has been in my mind lately. Do not depend on any of these workouts to lose weight. Do not depend on any workout you basically see on YouTube to lose weight. You should be working out to get healthier and fitter, not necessarily to lose weight. That comes from being in a caloric deficit. These workouts, this workout today is going to be about 10 minutes long. It's going to burn maybe 100 calories, maybe, especially because we're not going to be doing a lot of jumping around. We're definitely not running in place or doing jumping jacks or anything. It's not a cardio workout. So please do not depend on these workouts to lose weight and then be disappointed if you're not losing that weight and say, hey, I worked out for 15 or 20 or 30 minutes today. Do not do that. Do these workouts to feel better, feel healthier, gain a little bit of strength, and kind of move on from there. All right, enough talking. Today, functional core work using resistance bands. You can do this using dumbbells too, but we are focusing on the bands today. Hopefully you picked up a set of these. $30 for like 4 or 5 bands of various resistances. Today we're using the red band. It should be plenty for most of these moves. Starting up with the Woodchopper with the resistance band. Preview is always to my right, you left on the screen, right around here. So check that out right now. Gonna step on your band. I like to double up on this for this exercise. Step on that band, and we're just gonna chop left and right. I'm gonna be counting reps today in my head, but we're just gonna go for a maximum number of reps. There's not a set of 8 to 12 reps. We're just doing until our core starts feeling like it's being beat up a little bit, right? Want to get hit in the gut today. Are you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And just give me this. Twist. Twist. This is the kind of core work that actually gets you healthier and better. Crunches are fun once in a while, but if you actually want to have an effective core, twist more, challenge yourself. By the way, we have 5 exercises today. Well, actually 3 exercises because we're going to be doing each side, and we're going to go through the whole thing twice. Give me 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, twist, 3, 4, and 5. Let's take a little breather and we're gonna switch sides, nice and simple. Nice twisting motions. Rotate that trunk, get that core nice and strong. All right, enough talking. We're switching off to the other side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. 1. Keep going. Just follow along with me. I'm not counting these reps. I'm going until stuff starts hurting. Good rotations, keep going. Ready? Let's go for 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 more. And 8. Whew. All right, we're getting on the ground for the next one. And also, if you're like me and you're working out in a space where there is no place to tie off this band, there's many more core exercises we can do. I really don't have anywhere to tie this off. This is a great workout for you if you are working out in your living room or something like that. Like I said, somewhere where there is no place to tie this off. So we're gonna take this band, put it around our feet, straighten out, and we're gonna roll from side to side. This can be a fairly difficult exercise. If you spread your feet out a little bit more, you'll get a little more resistance. So we're just gonna go roll from side to side. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2. 1, 2. Rotate that trunk, come on. Keep going. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. And 10. All right, getting back up. Oh, by the way, if you started your fitness journey and you're still working with me, congratulations. You're starting week number 2? Week number 2? Yeah, you're starting week number 2. Most people drop out after the first week. Continue working out with me, guys. Consistency and small little simple workouts will make it easier for you to come back for the next set of exercises, the next workout. If you burn yourself out after 1 week, guess what? You're going to be like the rest of the population. So this is going to be a variation of a suitcase carry. Then double up on my band, get a little more resistance. I'm going to wrap it around my wrist, and then we're going to stand up straight. So now right now, this band is trying to pull us to whatever side it's on. It means my right side is trying to do that. So we're going to fight that pull, stand nice and straight, and we're going to march with the leg that doesn't have a bend on it. All right? Nice and straight. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep your balance. Boom. Knee, high knee. High knee. Keep it up. Keep that balance. Don't let that bend pull you. I know this might not seem like it's doing much. Trust me, that core is being activated right now. You're not gonna feel the usual burn you might feel, but it's being active and keeping you stable. And that's what we're looking for. Let's do 10 more steps. Ready? 1, 2. Pull against that bend. 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax for a few seconds. Guess what? Same thing on the other side is coming up. Hey, you do start feeling a little bit, don't you, in those obliques? All right. Same thing, other side. Step on your bend. If you need to choke up on it, choke up on it. If you don't need to, if there's already enough resistance, you're golden. Once again, it's pulling me to my left. Straighten up against it. Nice and tall. Shoulders back. And let's go. Do the best that you can with the steps. If you lose your balance a little bit, it's okay. It's all right. That's what the other leg is for, to catch yourself. Fight that resistance as much as you can. Keep going. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You guys notice I started losing my balance a little bit towards the end. It's because my core is starting to get fatigued. You start getting a little wavy. Anyway, that was the first set of exercises. We're gonna go through this entire thing one more time. And that's gonna be it for our core workout. Nice and simple, but like I said, do not depend on this workout to burn a lot of calories. Because realistically, while we are working out, not just me standing here, let's say I'm just standing here just talking to you for 10 minutes, how many calories would I burn? Call it 50. On top of that 50, this workout will burn me maybe another 50. So I actually only burn 50 extra calories working out than if I did just standing here talking to you. And 50 calories, and what's what, a third of a can of Coke if you're a pop drinker. Hopefully you're not. We're going back to the Woodchoppers. I started on my right foot before, so I gotta start on my right foot again. Back to the top. You guys ready to go? If you're ready, I'm ready. And let's go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep it up. 1. Full twist. That power should come from your core, and then finish off with your shoulders. Accelerate through. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, and 5. Whew. Yes, these are the type of workouts that will get your core stronger. This is the kind of work you should be doing. More athletic movement instead of these bodybuilding movements. Unless you have to bodybuilding, of course, then feel free to do as you wish. Here, you're not gonna find too many of those. You're gonna find more functional work. All right, switch sides. Ready to go? You ready? I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, choked up a little too much. There we go. 2, 3, let's go. Twist, twist. Keep it up, keep it up. Let's do 10 more. 1, not easy. 2, 3, it's not supposed to be. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Whew, boy, am I gonna be glad to sit down on the ground. So let's sit down on the ground. Grab that band around, put it around those feet. Like I said, I don't have a place to tie it off really. And we're going Russian twist. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, pull, pull. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. This is the second time around and the final time around. Keep going, let's do 10 more. Ready, 1, 2, twist, all the way. 4, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, getting back up. 2 more exercises, actually 1 more exercise, both sides. We'll do our standing marches. Double up on that band. Choke up if you need to. Arm to the side, the front. If you put the arm in front, it doesn't fight you as much. Put it to the side so you have to fight it a little bit more. And we're gonna be stepping. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up, down, up, and down, up, and down. Keep going. Fight that resistance. Keep it up. 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 Keep up. Keep moving. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10, and relax. Just a few seconds. And get ready for the other side. And here we go, last set of this functional bended core workout. Boy, that's an algorithm full of mouthful, isn't it? You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Leg goes up, leg comes down. Leg goes up, leg comes down. Keep going. Keep it up. Like I said, if you're still here with me, if you just joined and you're starting your fitness journey, you're starting your second week. Let's get through this week together. And the end of the second week is when most people stop. We are not doing that here. We have 2 workouts a week. You can do them whatever. They come out on Mondays and Thursdays. You can do them whatever you want. Do those 2 workouts and keep going. Keep going the 3rd and 4th and 5th weeks. Just with these 2 workouts, build a habit. All right, so 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stand up straight, 7, 8, 9, and last one, and 10. Guys, thank you for joining me today, Fit After 15. My name is Paul. If you finished this workout, subscribe, leave a comment down below, give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure to come back Mondays and Thursdays. We do bend down workouts, we do dumbbell workouts, and we do body weight workouts all right here from the basement. So if I can do this in my basement, you can do it wherever the heck you are at. Once again, Fit After 50, Paul. I'll see you guys during your next workout.